I know everything by heart right now. Social Security, 4420 273. Huh?
Even remember the last one, all the ones.
I went to all the boys till I was 19 years old. But they didn't want to even go up. That, and the previous.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time watching. My idea is to do like a 24-hour challenge. I have brought no food for the whole day, so whatever we catch we can eat. I bought me rod, me hand spear to make it a bit more challenging. I've got my dive gear, you know, the drone, GoPros, whatnot. These spots are amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the drone footage because I've been enjoying it. It's just so nice. It's a beautiful day. I just bought a couple of lures yesterday, just like the cheapest ones I could get to make it like more of a challenge, you know. So I got the shad ones, got some slims, and then just a pilly, just yeah, see if we can get like a trevally or something on that. Woo. Going here for a bit, and all I'm really catching is seaweed, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. Anyways, I've just been picking up all this rubbish and some cool stuff, like mostly bottles and plastic and like, you know, floats and stuff.
All dignified. Am I lost here on the other side? Cry, river, slowly. Cry, river, slowly.
Alright guys, that's it for another episode. Tell me what you like and didn't like. Thanks for watching.